Hello children, welcome back again. I am your junior KG teacher Perpitin Fernandez from TODDLEDOM. I hope you all are fine. So children, in this video we are going to do the revision of letters, that is letter I, J, K and L. As in an earlier video, we have already done the revision of letter E, F, G and H. Yes. So before we start, we'll do the revision of the letters that we did in an earlier video, that is E, F, G and H. What is the sound of letter E? Yes. Do you all remember the sound of letter E? Yes, the sound of letter E is A. The sound of letter E is A. The sound of letter F is F. The sound of letter F is F. The sound of letter G is G. Sound of letter G is G. And the sound of letter H is H. Sound of letter H is H. Very good. You all remember the sound of all these letters. So now today we'll do revision of 4 more letters, that is I, J, K and L. We will be seeing some objects that starts with this letter also. So are you all ready? Yes? Let's start. I says E, ink pot. I says E, insects. I says I for ice cream. J says J, jelly. J says J, jug. J says J, jeep. K says K, kite. K says K, kangaroo. K says K, king. L says L, lion. L says L, lollipop. L says L, lamb. So children, I hope you understood the sound of letters I, J, K and L which we just did. I hope you will do practice at home. You can refer this video for practice, okay? I'll be back with the next video very soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.